Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your Microsoft Outlook on an iMac or an Apple iOS back to how it was, or back to how you were used to using it. And this is called Legacy Outlook. So let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is, it's very, very simple. You can see that I've got the classic Microsoft Outlook window interface here, and I'm more comfortable using it this way. The reading pane is just down below. My emails are at the top over here. And what you can do, the first thing you want to do is here. So at the top right, let me just scroll down here so you can see this. So at the top right, you're going to see Legacy Outlook. Now, if you don't see this, what I want you to do is come over to the top and click on Help, and then just type in Legacy. And as you see, as soon as I scroll over Legacy, there's going to be a little pointer at the top left to enable Legacy Outlook. And that's going to get your Microsoft Windows Outlook account looking how it used to. So that's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.